God bless you, family. There was one additional sermon type for the homiletics portion of this class, and that is the expository outline. And I wanted to take a moment to go over that, and prayerfully, you'll be able to see this message in time to add it to your records, and I will email you, or that is, I will make it available to Pastor Davis, who then can make it available to all of you. That's homiletics, so this would be homiletics lesson 10, the expository outline. An advanced homiletic, the expository method. The aim of all preaching is to bring the mind of the hearers the message of the scriptures. This makes the work of the preacher that of expounding, explaining, and emphasizing the message of the Bible. All this is necessary because of the condensed form of the scriptures, and you could see John 21 and 25. The expository sermon differs from other methods in one respect, mainly because it is occupied more fully with the scripture itself than in the case of the textual and the propositional sermons. These methods deal chiefly with some particular thought suggested by the text, whereas the expository method occupies itself with the exposition of the entire scripture chosen. The expository method conforms to biblical ideal of preaching, Acts chapter 7. In order to succeed in this method, one must work hard. It calls for thinking, reading, and praying. Remember, the exposition is not a commentary on the passage chosen, but rather a proclamation of truth set forth in the lesson. Some suggestions for expository preaching. Choose for the text a portion that contains one leading thought. Let's say, for example, first Psalms 1 or Ephesians 4, 1 through 16, maybe Colossians 1, 9 through 12, or Romans 5, 6 through 11. Or B, suggest derived from the thought contained therein. The above portion may be entitled, respectively, Two Ways, Christian Unity, The Believer's Walk, and the Death of Jesus Christ. Those are all different subjects that may be arrived from the text therein. Okay. C, gather from the text selected a number of subtitles, about 3 or 4, in support of your subject. Look at John 17, 1 through 26. Now, select from the material in the subtitle a few minor points in short sentences which will support the statement in the subtitle. D and E. Well, E is study thoroughly the thought suggested in each minor point before going to the text. The expository sermon must be like other sermons, accompanied with an introduction and conclusion. All of this, of course, suggestive of hard work, but it is this that produces greater results. Remember, Dr. William Evans, author of How to Prepare Sermons, is right when he says, the true preacher will have no easy time of it. Lazy men had better steer clear of this ministry. Look at Joshua 1 through 8. And they're giving you that homiletics lesson 10, the expository outline. God bless you.